All right, I'm going to do number 1 with you. So number 1, develop a C++ program, prompt the user to enter a quantity number. If the quantity is greater equal 100, display OK. All right, so we create a new project and make sure we are a C++ empty project here. And we are going to call this chapter 5 classwork underscore 1. Okay. All right, so we right click it, add a new item. Okay, make sure just change the source to chapter 5 classwork underscore 1. Okay, then has a golden 7 line right now. Okay, uh, all right, so first of all, we all agree we need to have integer quantity, right? So integer quantity is an input. So input, I need the prompt for input. So I say CL enter input quantity number. All right, we say that. Then we're going to say cin and quantity. Then once they do that, we are going to say if this is greater than equal 100, let me double check. If greater than 100, okay. Otherwise, you're going to order new, okay? So we're going to do this. So if quantity is greater than equal 100, all right. So if greater than 100, then you're going to see out. Okay. And else, I'm going to say CL order item soon. Okay. So far, okay. All right. So let me build it. And start without debugging. All right. So I put 200. And so, okay. Right? All right. So I am going to put right here like this. But I wanted to modify this a little bit here because based on the quantity we order, based on the company, as a programmer, we usually need to control our user. Do you think you will allow anybody to enter a negative number? Yes or no? No. If this is maybe just think about this. If this is a TV company or just a small appliance store, will you allow the employee enter 3 million? Probably no. Remember, there are some people on the internet made some mistake. They want to buy $10 and become $100, $100,000. So part of the job will be, the programmer's input. all right, programs idea. So I want to do this. Hey, if you enter the number is between 0 to 1000, all right, that's valid input, we do this. Otherwise, we say this invalid input. How do you do that? How do you do like if this is 1 to 1000 and we do this? Otherwise, we just going to say invalid input. How do you say that? So the way to do this is enter a quantity to order a number right here. Then we have a little bit control here. Is that okay? So if, all right, so I'm going to check here. Can anyone tell me how do I do the number between 0 to 1000? Anybody? 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 Quantity? Exactly. Who told me that? Very good. Very good. So if this is greater than 0, is that okay? And you want to say and. Okay. Quantity. Oh, sorry. Quantity is less than equal 1000. We do like this. All right. So if this here is okay, then we do this. You understand? So if this is valid quantity, all right, Jeffrey, thank you, good job. Okay, Jeffrey, you probably so if quantity you know greater equal 0, okay, so you probably put the sign wrong, okay, and quantity less than equal 1000, so this is valid. Is that? If that's invalid, we say what? Else CL invalid input number. It's okay? Good. All right. Then we can say number must be between 0 to 1000. So we give people a little bit more hint right here. So in order to do that here, so enter a quantity to order number here. We also want to say this, okay? Between 0 to hold on. Enter a quantity in stock. Sorry, enter a quantity in stock. Okay, so then this is between 0 to 1000. All right, so they don't have anything is 1 million. It's okay. So right here, let me put here quantity must be all right. So now I have another control here. So this control is this called error handling. As a programmer, we usually need to do that. So we build it. And we start without debugging. All right, so right now if I put 2000, all right, so it's invalid input. We cannot do anything. It's okay. Then we're going to do this, build it. Let me start without debugging one more time. Right here, I'm going to put like 50. All right, so order soon. Stock is only 50 order soon. Okay, so right now, I finished